It's the beginning of April 2020. The streets are empty and the doors are closed. Our perfect, fast-paced world doesn't exist anymore. It's time to find internal answers of our being, and our approach to beauty is changing. From a regulated Western classical art to a more organic state of being. I found inspiration in a Japanese approach called wabi-sabi, finding beauty in the imperfection, mostly found in nature. They also play with the positive and negative spaces. So today, more than ever, I start to see the view from my window in another daylight. Inside my home and the view from my window are changing its places. The negative becomes the positive and vice versa. So I am on a journey, discovering what I found in beauty and how I can express this in video or photography. I hope I can share this with you soon.